Well, here's my first bed that's done. As you see, they're all interlocked. Each one of them is cut and trimmed out, and then the holes are drilled, and a rod is inserted down, and you just slide each one and stack it up. And the bed winds up being about 14.5 inches deep and no more bending over. So this thing will last many years after it's treated. You can say very sturdy bed. They're interlocked. I built these about 20 years ago, and I finally decided to give it a whirl. They take a lot of wood, so I might have to make modifications to it to make them cheaper. But I actually could have put a base right down there, a shelf in there, and hid all the tools and everything, which is easy to do. But all I got to do is drive the rods down into the ground and then drill some holes and seal it, and I'm ready to plant. And there you have it. Nice portable raised beds.